Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have something exciting to test out today in a video. I got sent these Saviland gel pens. They're gel nail colors and they're supposed to be one-step gel nail pens. So if you look on the side, it says it contains foundation gel, color gel, soft builder gel, and top gel in one coat. So it's supposed to be like a fast gel experience, and it does say on the back that you'll have to twist it about 10 times to get it started for the first use. I really like that it actually says that. Here you have your ingredients, and it also says if you want it to last more than 7 days, you should still apply a base coat for yourself and a top coat. So I have a feeling these would be pretty cool for like a quick pedicure using the one step, just a quick little gel pedicure. But I think I want to make a set of press-ons after we swatch these because I haven't done that in a while. So off to the side I have some gel extensions set up. These are just from Shein, I believe. They're like medium squares. So let's open this up and test these out. I'm super excited to see what these colors look like. So we got 6 pens, and it comes with directions. These are really cool. They're nice and light, and I don't know, it's just something different, which is nice. So this is Aurora Flame. That sounds promising and exciting. Ocean Mist, Lilac Cloud. Oh, these sound like they're perfect. Moonlight Blue, Fairy Beam. These names are very cute. And Mystic Amethyst. I love the names of these. These sound really cute. So I will link obviously everything down below, and let's get started swatching.